In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a zap on and off. This quick walkthrough focuses on managing your automations right from the zaps page, which is the fastest way to handle multiple zaps without opening each one individually. If you're streamlining workflows or pausing things during testing, this method keeps everything simple and visible in one place. Start by heading to your zaps dashboard. This is the main hub where all your automations are listed. You'll see your zaps organized by name, status, and sometimes grouped into folders if you've set those up. If you work with a lot of automations, use the search bar or filters to quickly narrow down what you're looking for. You can switch between folders or views to make it easier to zero in on the right zap, especially if you have different projects or teams. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the specific zap you want to manage in your list or folder. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by skimming the name and, if visible, the connected apps. A clear naming convention helps here, so you always know what each zap does at a glance. If you're managing several similar zaps, checking the folder or tags can prevent accidental changes. When you've found the zap, look to the right side of its name for the toggle switch. This is your on and off control. Click the toggle to update the zap's status instantly. When the toggle turns green, the zap is on, which means it's active and ready to run whenever its trigger conditions are met. When the toggle is gray, the zap is off, which means it's paused and won't trigger or take any actions. Use green for the zaps you want live and working for you, such as after testing or when you're confident the setup is correct. Switch to gray when you need to pause activity, like during maintenance, testing changes, or when you want to temporarily stop tasks without deleting the zap. Remember that turning a zap off prevents new triggers from firing while it's paused. Turning it back on resumes normal operation from that point forward. That's all there is to it. From the zaps page, you can quickly scan, find, and control each automation with a single click. It's fast, efficient, and ideal for managing multiple zaps at once without digging into individual editors. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the control and clarity this simple toggle gives you over your automations.